Hello, good morning. This is El Caminero, Borongan City. You know, we have a rainy weather here. January 31 today. I will, my friend, I will invite you to watch again a short video to the General Assembly of the Eastern Samar Province Content Creator, which will be held in Barangay Surok, Borongan, at a distance of more or less 5 kilometers. So please stay with me so we can witness their activities. Okay. Okay, my friends, there are I think 3 ways of reaching this barangay. We have the old road of Balud going to Kalingatngan Barangay. So reaching Barangay Kalingatngan, we will cross a river, but this time we can travel with a short time, siguro at least 30 minutes going to that Barangay Surok. I will be passing by in the mountainside cemented area along Sabang River. We can also reach the barangay by way of riding a motorized bangka here to my left side. We can have motorized bangka so we can reach the barangay. In the front ahead, there is a small exit road on my left, but this time here, this intersection to the left. But I will first go to Eastern Samar State College for something to get there. Friends, we are now at the start of this mountainside cemented road. So let's go on.
Pasensya na kasi this week, first time na nakakami kami. So, ating at mga robot, no, mga kapwa content creator. So, before in-attend games, by
Alam na, pero ako talaga original na content yung mga ibang kalsada, mga flood control. Ako talaga itakon, pero inalinanin ko talaga. Oo, sila yung taga-area. Mahupay nga daway. Thank you.
Show my Suman.
Syupaw, suman, syupaw.
Okay, relax na lang. Show my Suman. Show my Suman. Show my Suman. Okay, once again, Kawangsi, kulit-kulit, kanila. Walang parang Kawangsi, Sir J.D. Lopez. Okay, drop yourself into 5. Okay, out na baby, out na. I'm sorry. Okay na lang. Okay, make a circle again. Make a circle. Okay, make a circle. Now, malibot na ka. While nagdadansa. Okay. Again, okay ano, at panawagan, at driver ang pick up na red. Ano, dito kasi may tigawas. Adilaan na ma'am. Ayan. Thank you, sir. Ayan, sir lang. Ayan. Ayan, pick up mo rin.
So, nag-away kaya nga single, okay, double, good, meron. Okay, thank you.
Single ka pa, Lola? Single ka pa ko, no? Okay. Ano yung pala nyo? Super Lola ng Dolores. Ayan. Okay, children. Step back. Okay, sit down. Mag-games ka na. Games. We have another games. Dito. Puro ko. Compress.
Alright, I'm gonna be singing my original song. This is entitled Hain na Hain Ka. Para sa lahat ng may mga UTI. As in, umibig tas iniwan. Try mo! More power, small!
mo ba ang buhay mo ay masaya? O meron ka na ang sasaya? Dami ng galing.
Ang balo ng digital printing, pati yung atang gabas, kaya ayan na natin kuhan. Nagre-request na natin sponsor na isulot. Pakisulat na nito yung bas, kasi yan natin. Lights, camera, ano, DJ, wala lang music, pasoy lang. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mga kapag-tiktok na kaya aliya ka burunggan. Manikam nyo na. Isang panaral pa. Sige.
1, 2, 3, go! Sige, kembot mo noy sige, kembot mo baby. Pa! Pa!
Nagtitiktok na rin lang. Ito rin namin, oh.
At maraming aanak pala pag tsukulan ka mayubaday. Okay, paguro ko natin ka mga bata, while namumag lang yung ating practice. Sige, Hino na Eskwela, Surong Elementary School. Asa na Eskwela? High school ka na.